going to be doing some sound clips and some sound videos on a hectic R32 GTR. So before we leave, I just quickly, me and Angelo over there, who owns the R32 GTR, we put on some Flow Designs side skirt and rear pods extensions on the S15. I had these laying around for a while because I was planning on getting these color matched when I get the Silvia resprayed. But if you guys follow my Instagram, you'll know that I'm actually gonna be pushing out the respray and doing engine mods first. So I thought, may as well just chuck these on for now, just until we get it resprayed later next year. But it's made such a big difference, and yeah, it's a nice subtle touch. And yeah, it honestly looks so good. So I'll show you guys properly in the next video, but Sylvia doesn't like me next to it. But yeah, looks absolutely sick. All right, so you guys may remember Angelo with the white R34 Skyline. I'll link some of the videos that he's in up here. He has just purchased an R32 GTR. How are you, man? Yeah, not bad, man. How long have you had this thing for?
Honestly, almost 6 months already. It's just been hiding in the garage for a while.
So what year GTR is this?
This is a 92.
92 GTR.
Fresh import last year.
Yep.
Pretty much stock as a rock, just exhaust and some pod filters.
Awesome. So it's the factory twin turbo with exhaust and pod filters.
That's it.
Awesome. Well, this thing's very, very clean, as you guys can see, and we're gonna get some cracker sound clips of the dose and of the exhaust as well. So it's gonna be some beautiful RB26 DETT sounds to enjoy. Hectic. Are you excited?
I can't wait.
Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoyed those exhaust and those clips of the R32 GTR. Honestly, it just sounds so good. Like the RB26 is just one of the most best sounding engine in the world. Absolutely love it, especially like with the stock twin turbos with the GTRs. That dose is just something special. Like it sounds like that black one from Initial D. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but it sounds like that one. But yeah, we're gonna do a proper in-depth video on Angelo's R32 GTR very soon in the next few weeks. Yeah, proper drive, proper video, all that stuff. I'm going more in depth on the car, so stay tuned for that if you want to see more of Angelo's R32 GTR. And also stay tuned for the Silvia. We got some big engine work coming on it very soon. I'm just gathering some parts. I'm getting a new clutch for it, and a few other little things ready to go, so I can chuck everything on, get it tuned, and we'll make some good power. All right guys, so I'll leave the video there, and make sure you guys subscribe because we've got some more regular weekly content coming on the channel on the S15 and heaps of other cars as well, like the GTR and a whole bunch of other stuff that we got planned for you. So make sure you subscribe to check out some more awesome stuff that we got coming for the channel. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time on That Car Life.